In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pixel on TikTok ads. We'll walk through the exact flow inside TikTok ads so you can set up a pixel to track website actions, measure performance, and improve your campaign optimization. Keep your account login handy, and let's get started. First, head to the TikTok ads login page and select Login. Enter your account email and password, then click Login again. If you're prompted with any verification or security checks, simply follow the on-screen progress and confirm when asked. These checks help protect your account, so don't skip them. Once you're in, go to the Ads Manager Home. From the top navigation, open Tools, then choose Events Manager. This is where you create and manage pixels and other data sources. Inside Events Manager, click Connect Data Source. When asked where you want to collect data, choose Web and click Next. You'll be asked for a website URL. Enter your site's address so TikTok can tailor recommendations for your setup, then proceed by clicking Next. For the setup method, select Manual Setup and click Next. You'll see different data collection options. Choose TikTok Pixel and click Next again. This method is ideal if you want full control over how events are defined and installed. Now give your pixel a clear, descriptive name. A good practice is to include your brand and site or region so it's easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple properties. After naming, click Create. TikTok will show a progress screen while it prepares your pixel. Let it run and avoid closing the tab. This step ensures the resource is created properly and tied to your ad account. When the progress completes, click Finish. At this point, your pixel exists in Events Manager and is ready for installation. Depending on your setup, you can install it manually on your site or use a partner integration later. If you're working with a developer, share the pixel details with them so they can place the code in your site header and configure events. Once installed, plan to test your implementation using TikTok's testing tools or a browser extension designed for pixel validation to confirm that page views and key actions are firing as expected. That's it. You've created a TikTok pixel via Events Manager, selected Web, used Manual Setup, named your pixel, and finalized the creation process. In future campaigns, you'll be able to optimize for conversions, build audiences, and gain better insights thanks to this tracking foundation.